Audio Jungle.
Hi.
What happened?
Chemistry seems to be too boring. In fact, my mind is blowing out.
Oh, can I ask you some question?
Oh, yeah.
How do you go to your college daily?
By cycle.
Your friends?
By their cycles.
Come with me. I'll show you the solution for your problem.
Oh.
Come. There are many kinds of cycles in the world, ranging from low-cost cycle to high-cost cycle.
Okay.
This is a low-cost cycle, and this is a high-cost cycle. This is of high cost because of the gearing system and many other products.
Wait a moment.
Yeah.
What are the chemicals used in a cycle?
Okay. The chemicals that we see in a cycle is basically, come here.
Yeah.
What can you see here?
It is rusted, yeah.
Yeah. So to prevent this rusting, we need anti-rusting agent.
Yeah.
Anti-rusting agent is an organic compound which, when added to a liquid or a gas, decreases the rate of corrosion and prevents the rusting. To protect the body of a cycle from rusting, we need anti-rusting agents like amines and hydrazines, which are
Chemicals.
which is
Chemical engineering.
so we need chemical engineers for the production of these anti-rusting agents to protect the body of a cycle. Not only these anti-rusting agents, but also we need lubricants to prevent the friction movement of the chain around the cycle. So we have a chain here, which moves around the rim. So for this, to prevent the friction between them, we need lubricants such as oil and grease. We need to oil them frequently, which is also a
Chemicals.
which is
a chemical engineering.
so we need chemical engineers for also producing lubricants for the chain and also for the anti-rusting agents.
Several different rubber compounds are used. So for the carcass, sidewall, tread section, and puncture protection layer, specifically developed mixtures are produced. The base mixes are rolled out into thick slabs called skins and temporarily stored before subsequent processing. The extruder combines different rubber mixtures under enormous pressure. A triplex extruder can combine 3 rubber mixtures, for example, center tread, shoulders, and sidewalls. A unique endless strip is produced for each kind of tire, cooled, checked for regular weight, and laid up in rolls. This so-called green tire still has a soft consistency and doesn't have a tread. At this point, the chemical process of vulcanization takes place that will transform it. But first, a heating tube is inserted inside the raw tire. Finally, it is ready to be vulcanized in the tire press, like a giant waffle iron at around 170 degrees for 5 to 6 minutes. After each cycle, 6 tires with their special Schwalbe treads are born. As the tire now has its flexible characteristics, only after vulcanization is it possible to describe it as rubber.
What if it is damaged?
What a hilarious question. Life doesn't exist.
Similarly, cycle is incomplete without tires. Tire is made up of
Rubber.
rubber is an organic compound which is a polymer of isoprene. Due to the presence of repeated chain in isoprene, natural rubber is sensitive to ozone cracking and susceptible to vulcanization. Malaysia is a leading producer of rubber, and in India, Kerala is a leading producer of rubber.
Hey, so much chemistry is involved in cycle.
Not only in cycle, but also in daily life, the whole world uses chemistry, ranging from toothpaste, cosmetics till the medical field. There is a major part of chemistry. I conclude saying that chemistry plays a major role in the world and chemical engineers have a keen role in it.
Yes, I agree with you. Chemistry plays a magic role in a daily life to such an extent that whole world needs to realize, as you said earlier.
Thank you. This is all about chemistry and its application in daily life.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching the video.